Okay, you guys, let's see if we can get our cells to transfer over to the summary sheet. So right now I am on the summary sheet. As you can see, I'm going to scroll down here. This is the summary, and we just took a look at a couple of, I just made a couple of videos on concrete, and I want to show you guys how to transfer that information from your detail sheets over here to your summary sheet. So this is really important. It's very simple, and I apologize for blundering it up in the last video. So look, if I want to know what the material cost for rebar is, I'm going to highlight this cell and type in equals, and then I want to go over to the rebar on the detail sheet, and I'll scroll up here just so you guys can kind of reference where we're at here. So concrete, rebar, you can see that. And then this is just the material cost is what I'm interested in. So I'm going to scroll all the way down here to the bottom. And this number right here, the 65.59 is what I'm interested in moving over to the summary sheet. So I'm just going to highlight that and hit enter. And you can see that it automatically populates over here. So let's do the same for labor. I'm going to hit equal, then go back to the detail sheet, and here's my labor column, the labor total. So I just want to hit enter, and there we go. So I don't have any equipment, I don't have any subcontract. I don't know, maybe you're subcontracting the forms or whatever it is, but we don't have anything on this yet, unless we decide we need a pump truck or something. But now all I need to do is I need to bring this row over into the totals column. So what we're going to do is auto sum that, and there you go. So I can keep going here, and heck, we might as well. So let's take a look at footing and foundation labor, and I'm not going to have anything in this column. It's labor only, so I'm going to have something right here. So I'm going to put my equal sign in there, go over to the labor, footing and foundation labor, which is right here. And it looks like we're at 48.20, so I want to highlight that cell and hit enter, and there it is. Footing and foundation concrete. So let's go back over to our detail sheet, and I got to scroll down a little bit further here, and you can see right here it says footing and foundation concrete. Now, I don't know why they didn't combine these two. They could have combined the rows, but it's important to break this stuff out so you know what, you can see quickly what labor and concrete costs for certain things. So I'm going to hit enter. Oh, you know what? Maybe we go back to the summary sheet. I didn't put the equal sign in. That's what I did wrong there. So then I'll come over here and then just hit enter, and there you go. So same thing with slab floor labor. So let's go back over to our sheet, and here's our slab floor labor right here. Enter. Oh, I forgot again. So it's real easy to do. It's easy to make these mistakes. I'm real good at that. So there's our slab. See, that's wrong. So my slab floor concrete, I'm just going to delete this here. So slab floor labor needs to be in this column, right? So I'm going to hit my equals there. See, I've messed up again. And enter. There we go. So now slab floor concrete, and don't forget my equal sign. Then I come back over, slab floor concrete, we'll scroll down a little bit more, and this is $5,008. So there we go. So again, if I take and just auto sum these over to the side, it's easier just to do this, or I think I can rake, I can pull that formula down, and I can show you that some other time. But look, I don't have any lightweight concrete on this. We don't have any precast concrete, and I don't think we have a concrete pump on this job. I don't think so. So there's your concrete. Look at this. Pretty cool stuff. So that's it. And hopefully you guys, it's easier for you than it is me. But remember what we did here. We just highlighted the cell on this sheet, hit equals, and then went over to the detail sheet and then found the column that we need and then enter, and then it shows up automatically. So that's how you do it. And again, I look forward to talking with you guys on Wednesday night. We'll see you.